sharing simple solutions to make life easier. Dooiy.
Hi, I'm Siabonga. I'm 15 years old and live in a township. My township is located in Cape Town, which is a big city in South Africa. Together with my family, I live in a shack. We have quite a lot of challenges in our home. At the moment, our roof is leaking again. Also, we really need more storage space within our home. In general, life in a township can be quite demanding. Something as simple as doing laundry is often a big problem because it takes a lot of time to wash everything by hand. Sometimes I search online to find tips and ideas for these problems, but on common platforms I have never found anything relevant for our housing situation here. Even if I find a hack that looks interesting, I usually need materials and tools for it that are not available in my township. Also, I cannot search forever because I have to use my mobile data sparingly. This whole situation can be very frustrating for me.
Siabonga is not alone with these problems. A lot of people who live in informal settlements are confronted with similar problems in their daily life. This is why the open sharing platform dooiy was founded. dooiy is a non-profit organization which focuses on simple solutions to improve people's lives. Since 2023, you can find that dooiy has been home to good hacks that make life easier. These hacks come from communities, NGOs, universities, and lots more. The website also helped Siabonga to find applicable hacks for his living situation.
I came across lots of hacks that will benefit our living situation. Besides pretty cool furniture to increase our storage space, I found a bucket washing machine that is cheap, easy to assemble, and could help my mom coping with her laundry. All I need is a metal stick, 4 buckets, and a plunger. In about 20 minutes, I have assembled the washing machine. My mother is surprised and relieved by the invention.
Through its digital environment, dooiy creates a vibrant network that goes beyond local circumstances. Here, people can share their experiences, learn from each other, and work together on projects. You can also become part of the dooiy community and support them in a simple way. Become a content partner and use dooiy as a free tool to share step-by-step instructions and stories with the growing community. Support dooiy in the development of targeted projects by becoming a donor or sponsor to create sustainable change. You can mentor local communities and founders on technical, organizational, or business issues. Provide feedback to ensure high-quality guides. Let dooiy inspire you for workshops and teaching content. Launch creative hacks with your target group. Get in touch if you want to share your own ideas or support the project.